Black versus white countertops. Which is better? Dear friends, black and white countertops are two of the most popular choices for modern kitchens. Both colors look stylish, timeless, and elegant, but the better option depends on your kitchen design, lighting, and lifestyle needs. White countertops create a bright and clean appearance. They make small kitchens feel larger and more open. White surfaces also reflect light beautifully, giving the kitchen a fresh and airy atmosphere that many homeowners love. Another advantage of white countertops is their versatility. They match almost every cabinet color, wall paint, and flooring style. From modern to classic kitchens, white countertops blend easily with different interior designs. However, white countertops may show stains, spills, and scratches more quickly. Regular cleaning is important to maintain their fresh appearance, especially in busy family kitchens where cooking happens every day. On the other hand, black countertops offer a bold and luxurious look. They add depth, contrast, and sophistication to the kitchen. Black surfaces are especially popular in modern and industrial-style interiors. Black countertops are often better at hiding stains and daily marks. They can be easier to maintain in homes with heavy kitchen use. However, dust, fingerprints, and water spots may become visible under strong lighting. In the end, white countertops are perfect for bright and spacious designs, while black countertops are ideal for dramatic and elegant kitchens. The best choice depends on your personal style, maintenance preference, and overall kitchen theme. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.